everyone, this is Trish with the Sitesmith, and we're here today to show you how to add images to your WordPress website. It's a pretty simple process. There's a couple of ways that you can do that. The first way is to add it right into your media library. So we're going to click on Add New under Media, and the media library is where every image that you upload to your site is going to live. So we're going to click on Select Files, and we're going to go to, let's say, we'll use our S from Sitesmith. That's what we use for a lot of our branding in the Sitesmith site. So what we're going to do is we have it loaded up here. You can see that it's all in here. It's loaded up. You can click on Edit Image if you'd like, and you can do some minor editing. I wouldn't recommend doing any kind of major editing in here. You can't anyway, really. Save that stuff for things like Photoshop and image editing software. But you can do simple things here. For instance, you can rotate it. You can flip it, both horizontally and vertically. You can scale the image. They tell you to scale before doing any other options. So let's say we want to scale this to, we'll knock 100 off of each side, 196. And what's nice is that it automatically changes the dimensions to preserve the image ratio. And you want to keep that, otherwise it starts looking really squished or stretched. So let's go ahead and scale. And you can see that it has scaled. Now you want to save all changes. And there you go, you have your file in there. The other way to do this is we go into Add a Post or a page, either way. And what you're going to do is you're going to click this little square next to Upload Insert. And that's where you can add an image. You can see right up here it says Add an Image. There's 3 places you can find one. From your computer, let's say you have a file on your desktop, just like I loaded the S2 image, I found it on my desktop. You can do it from a URL if you happen to have an image URL from an image sharing site such as Flickr or Stock Exchange or one of those. And you can also do it from your media library, and that's where we were just in, and we just loaded our S2. So let's try a different image. We're going to show that image. And you can see here that there are a lot of the same options, if not all the same, as there were when you loaded an image to the media library. So you can edit your image here if you'd like. We're going to scale our image again, and we're going to scale it down to 150. Let's go ahead and scale that. And you can also change your alignment. You can change your title, which you probably want to do. Remember, you want to use your keywords in here if you can. Okay, and you can have a caption here. And you can also have a description. And if you wanted to, you could link it to another site. So you could put this, so when someone clicks on that image, they go to a different URL. Okay, and there we go. We're going to insert it into Post. We're in the HTML file, so you're not going to see it. And there we go. It's a smaller sized image. We've reduced it down, and we've got our caption in there. And now, if we publish this, you'll see once we hover over it that you'll find the information that we added, Great Pumpkin Recipes. And if someone were to click on it, it's going to take them to the Homegrown Kitchen. So it's really that simple. Thanks for letting us be of service. If you have any questions or if any of this is confusing, or if you'd like to talk to us about how we can help you, email us at trish@thesitesmith.com. Have a great day.